Hi guys, welcome. Nathan here guys, your founder and creator of Idle Client Alliance, and I am really excited. So for me, what is important guys moving forward, so now we're going to have the part where we're going to build a data machine. But let's pause there guys. I know no one is waking up in the mornings wanting to build some techie things. They don't stand up and and then becomes a scientist and all of those things. And this is not what we're doing here. I brought my co-host tonight with Mia, guys. Excited for this, so I want to introduce Mia to you guys, and so that she can give you guys an idea. Because at the end of the day, we want to make money. I'm gonna bring Mia on. Let me just switch her on. Mia, are you there? Hi, Mia. We on the training side. The team is listening, and I just explained to them, you are going to co-host this training with me, and that is amazing. It gives them an opportunity to see how to leverage. I use the word a lot. How to make it take advantage of the AI, so that AI is not a magic button, but AI can literally help you. I mean, we in the era where guys, AI is revolutionary. So, Mia, welcome to this training. I know you're going to bring lots and lots of value. I would love you to explain to the team. No one wakes up wanting to build these things, and it can sometimes sounds excited last 3 days and so on. So Mia, just give us some insight so that we can take some wisdom from you.
Hi, everyone. I'm excited to be here. My role isn't to replace Nathan or teach instead of him. I'm here to help explain ideas, get you thinking, and add another perspective as we work through the training together. The more context you provide, the better you become, the more valuable the responses will be. Today's session is designed to demonstrate that in a practical way. Imagine going to the gym every day but never checking whether your technique is correct. You're consistent, but you may not be improving. The same thing happens with content creation. I like using the doctor analogy. A good doctor doesn't guess, they look at test results before making recommendations. Your analytics are your test results. AI simply helps you interpret what those results are telling you, which means every post becomes feedback instead of success or failure. You're building a system that improves over time. So instead of chasing shortcuts, you're building a process that gets stronger the longer you use it. Okay, with that said, handing it back to you, Nathan. Enjoy the value team.
Mia, that was powerful. Thanks a lot, Mia. These words, consistency all the time. And that's good and well, and that's sound advice. The problem with that is, guys, I can be consistently doing the wrong thing. And what we're going to do here, guys, is, but consistently you need to bring the data to the AI so that you can keep on doing and growing. Because we're not here with a get rich scheme, guys. We are here building a skill that can take your business that you're currently in to the next level. Me, I don't know, before I switch over to the screen, I'm going to say the screen, if there's any last thoughts that you want to add before we literally walk and build this data machine.
Wow, powerful, Nathan, and thank you. But before we continue, I want to acknowledge something. When I look at where your journey started 4 years ago and where you are today, the growth is undeniable. You really have come a long way. You have become an inspiration to many people, especially your ICA team. As they say, demonstration speaks louder than 1,000 words. And like you always say, I'm just a colored Boichi from Mitchell's Plain. But that Boichi has grown into a mentor, a leader, and someone willing to walk the journey with others step by step. To the ICA team, you have a mentor who is not only teaching the process, but actively walking it with you. And that is the real message here. AI is not the opportunity on its own. The real opportunity is becoming the kind of person who knows how to use AI tools, build valuable skills, and become so useful that people are willing to pay for what you can do. That is how you become undeniable. That is how you become valuable. So let's keep moving, keep learning, and keep building until every person in this team has their own AI data machine.
Guys, it is the realness. Okay, now you're going to have a data machine. It's not the magic button, guys, but you're going to have advantage that a lot of people here in the online space don't have, and that makes me excited for all of you guys. I'm going to stop it here so that you guys can watch this, and then I'll do the walkthrough video another one, guys. Thank you. See you in the next one.